Doctors in Cuba discover a juice that heals gastritis, cancer cells, diabetes and hypertension. It is also slimming. Awesome! If you are interested in this video is because surely one of these diseases attacked you, a family member or friend. And that is why we tell you that if you try this juice that cures diabetes, gastritis and hypertension, you will get excellent results for the treatment of these diseases. It is an ingredient that is miraculously and powerfully medicinal, which in the past was widely used to treat ailments, but has been underestimated by the appearance of laboratory drugs, and they do is to create codependency in the patient who consumes them. It is the sweet potato, which although you do not believe it has numerous benefits for the health of the people, with positive effects on the treatment of these toxic diseases. Miraculous juice of sweet potatoes. Diabetes, gastritis and hypertension can be cured if you eat this juice properly. The discovery was made by a group of Cuban doctors, who found the best-kept secret of the sweet potato. The idea is to consume the juice 1 hour before the meal as a remedy to the above-mentioned diseases, and thus to absorb better its properties, since the body is just absorbing what you will consume in the food. In this video you will get all the details of how to prepare and consume this juice of sweet potatoes for the treatment of diabetes, gastritis and hypertension, in a simple, natural and fast. Ingredients: 1. A red pepper. 2. An apple. 3. A small beet. 4. Parsley to taste. 5. 10 sweet potatoes. Preparation: as simple as liquefying all the ingredients. Among the immediate benefits of the sweet potato are: 1. It helps to lose weight because it is a carbohydrate of fast absorption. 2. Potentially relieves stress. 3. It decreases any inflammation that you may suffer. 4. Improves brain function. 5. Relieves problems of kidney stones. 6. Helps maintain a healthy bowel. It is time that you start to consume this juice of sweet potato so that you obtain all its benefits, like those that this video shows you, and those that we just